signing people up?
Yeah. My boy signing up here, you already know.
Welcome to the team.
Yeah.
How you guys feeling tonight? You feeling blessed? Yeah. I'm feeling blessed.
Generate this night of fun, right? So let's start off by, let me tell you guys who I am so we're not complete strangers. Is that alright with you guys?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm 33 years old, been married for 14 years, got 3 amazing kids like I told you guys right now. One's going to be 15, one's going to be 10, and one's going to be 7, or he is 7. So 3 amazing kids. We got involved in this industry 10 years ago. And the whole reason why we got involved in this industry was so my wife could retire. She was making a high 6-figure income running a huge HR, she was HR manager at a company. I was making great money running a car dealership. But we wanted to have our 3rd kid. But we didn't want our lifestyle to change, if that makes any sense. We wanted her to be able to stay home. We like to travel. We didn't want to change any of that. So I always heard these people making a living, but I really didn't believe in it, right? So I said, there's got to be a way. The phone goes off, that's 10 push-ups. Just throwing it out there, right? Just throwing it out there, right? So you know, we wanted to make a living. We always heard it, but we didn't know if it really worked. So 2 years into it, right? I was very blessed. Let me start off by saying I was very blessed to hook up with some amazing mentors. And they taught me some crazy things that I never even heard of before, right? And they would teach me like, it all takes 3 W's. A win for you, a win for the company.
Bucks a month. Do you think that they're like, hey, you know what? Can you show me how to get to $500 a month?
Of course.
Yes, right? So guess what? If you help those 3 get to the $500 a month mark, here's what happens.
More money?
More money. Now the company pays you $1,000 a month.
And you want to get the position and like that, but guess what?